Hello friends, welcome to Ujjwal Cooking Show. If you are visiting my channel for first time, please click the red subscribe button below for subscribing the channel and bell icon for further notifications. Today we are going to do honey cake. As Christmas is nearby, everyone loves to do some cake varieties. So let's do honey cake, the juicy cake. First let's do some preparations. Here I am greasing the baking tray with oil and placing the wax paper or parchment paper. Now let's make the mix. I am taking here 1 cup of all-purpose flour, then half more, that is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To this, let's add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and let's mix it well. Stir it nicely so that they will combine with each other. For this mix, I am taking 1 cup of sugar. If you are using granuled sugar, then mix it and make the powdered sugar. In a large mixing bowl, now I am taking 3 eggs. Take the mixing bowl, a larger one, so that when you are beating, it doesn't spill. Here I am using my helping hand in my kitchen, that is my KitchenAid stand mixer. You can also use such whipping whisker and whip in the normal bowl with hands. I am beating it. Beat the eggs nicely. Now we are going to put the other ingredients. I am taking here 1 cup of oil. Take any oil available at your home. At my place I have groundnut oil today, so I am using groundnut oil. Just beat it nicely with hands or with the stand mixer. Just beat it nicely so that every time you put one or the other ingredient, let them mix very nicely. Now I am taking vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Then again mix them. The next ingredient goes now. Just see, it should be mixed very nicely. Now I am putting sugar, 1 cup of sugar. Put little at a time so that they mix nicely. Now let's put half cup of water. Putting water gives the moisture to the cake. Now I am putting the mix what we did at the starting. Same way, put little at a time and go on beating it. Just see, now the mix is ready. Just beat it very nicely and it's ready now. Now let's transfer it to the pan. Before that, let's preheat the oven for 350 degree Fahrenheit. Now for the greased baking tray, let's pour the mix. Just see the consistency of the batter, how it is. It's very flowy. Then you get a moist cake, very soft cake. Beat the tray nicely so that the batter spreads everywhere evenly. Let's put it into the preheated oven. Now for making the juicy cake, I am taking here half cup of sugar and half cup of water. Let's boil it. Don't boil it to the one string consistency. Just let the sugar dissolve in water. See, it's dissolved. For this I am putting here orange color or yellow color and 1/4 cup of honey. See, mix it well now. Mix. See, the color of the juicy syrup is ready now with honey. Our cake is getting baked. Let's wait. Now, to have the coating of brown color on the cake, put it into the broil mode for 550 Fahrenheit for 1 minute, just 1 minute. Otherwise, you are going to burn the cake. See, the above layer has become golden in color because of that. To check the cake, I am putting fork inside. See that it comes clean. Now the cake is ready. Allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Now I have removed the cake from the tray. Let's remove the parchment paper. See, the cake is so nicely cooked. Now let's put it back into the same baking tray. Now I am going to cut into rectangular pieces. Don't make very small pieces. Let them be little big enough, because it's very soft, it will break otherwise. Now for this, we are going to put the juicy syrup what we had prepared. Spread it everywhere. We cut the cake before because so that the juicy syrup goes still inside and the cake soaks the syrup. Now let's put the jam. I have taken fruit jam. You can take any flavor jam. Mixed fruit jam. This is a mixed fruit jam. Spread it evenly everywhere. This makes the cake look very attractive and the taste is amazing too. I'm sure the kids at your home will love it. Now for upon this, on this I'm going to spread the granule coconut or the desiccated coconut everywhere. See, it looks so amazing. Now I have poured it everywhere. See, our cake is ready now. Now let's take one of the slices. Let's see how it's done. It's so soft to remove. Let me show you one of the pieces. See how it is. It looks same like the bakery, right? It's so soft and juicy. Enjoy this with your family and kids. I'm taking it out in a plate to show you how it sees after I cut it. Let me take a bite. See how soft it is. Enjoy this cake with your family and friends. Thank you and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.